Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. Today I'll show you how to easily fix Bluetooth not connecting on your LENOVO Legion Tab Gen 3. So first, what we can do is try and do the simplest method first. So go to settings. Now we need to go to Bluetooth, it's almost at the top. And now turn it on and then turn it off and turn it on again. So it's a quick fix for the Bluetooth not working. If it's still not connecting, then imagine if we have a device right here and it says connecting and it's already saved, then what we can do is basically connect to it and then unpair and connect again. So basically unpair and repair to the device. Also, what you guys can do is restart your tablet to basically update the Bluetooth settings, so entire Bluetooth system. So hold the power button and the volume up button right here at the same time. Let me do that again. Now all we need to do is click reboot and wait for our tablet to turn back on. So I'll see you guys then. So after restarting our device, what we can also do is update the software to fix connectivity bugs. So go over to the settings. Now here we need to scroll all the way down until we see about tablet. And here click on system update. Now it will check automatically if you have the latest version of the software. I recommend you guys updating it if you don't have it already. And that would be it for this video. So I hope it helped you, and if it did, then leave a like, sub, and a comment. Bye.